Hello everyone, I'd like to share my latest project. It's a journal called Nature. The cover is Edith Holden, a page from Edith Holden, and I've doubled up, I don't think if you can see, I've doubled up these mushrooms. And here's the back, also an Edith Holden page. The journal kit is called Into the Woods by Tailor Made Journal. It's her first journal kit, and it's quite extensive. Lots of elements. I wasn't able to use them all in this journal because it's too small. Even though it measures 5¼ inches wide by 7¾ inches high with a 1¼ inch spine. There's 4 hand-stitched signatures for a total of 160 pages. Also from TaylorMade Journals, I've used digital elements from butterflies, antique paper, mushrooms and ferns, and end paper and wallpaper. Also from Love Junk Journals, the random numbers and nature definitions. So we'll go with a flip through. The first signature, there's a fussy cutting, of course. Lots of journaling space, a little bit of collage. Here's a, I'm not going to say it because it's all from Into the Woods, but it's beautiful. The echo printing. Here's a pocket with some tidbits, little journaling card. That's really sweet. I made a tag, and this is from the Mushroom Digital. Oh, sorry. Oh. And a ledger page from my latest. Let me fix this here. Oh God. Okay. I'm gonna move that over here. There's a tea-stained paper. Here is the library pocket and card for mushrooms and toadstool, how to find and identify them. This is it's a print, a postcard. This is vintage airmail stationery. This is a folder, and in this folder here I have a pocket with some fussy cut ferns from TaylorMade Mushrooms and Ferns digital kit. This is from Aged Paper. I've backed all these, oh, this is beautiful. I've backed all these journaling pages with antique papers from TaylorMade Journal. Here's a pocket with some fussy cutting, little label, journaling paper, journaling card. Here I took this from the kit and I did a twine attachment, and inside I have 2 rows of postage stamps with some botanicals prints. Here's a CD envelope with some fussy cutting, and inside here is a journaling card, again that I made with the antique paper. Here's the back of the first signature, and that is from TaylorMade Journal Butterflies. Yep, Butterflies. The second signature. There's a postcard, journaling card, little corner pocket here that also creates a pocket on the other side, and here it makes a journaling card. I'm trying to. It has a very woodland feel. I just love it. It's different. Here is an envelope with some with a journaling card. And like I said, there are many more elements to this kit that I did not use. It's worthwhile having a look. So in this corner pocket, little envelope with a journaling card. This is from Tim Holtz, and in this glassine bag I have a print. I have the original from a Larousse dictionary, and I printed it on tracing paper, and it's the same image as Tim Holtz journaling card. Get this out here. There we go. These are in this glassine envelope, the toadstools. They are fussy cut from the Edith Holden book. There you go. These are from the Edith Holden book. These mushrooms. Another CD envelope with some fussy cut. Here's the third signature. In this pocket, some little journaling sticks that I like to call them, and this is a little journaling card. Here I made an envelope with an index from that ledger. From that ledger that I just purchased recently, I did a label with with the meaning of mushroom, and inside, I knew there was something inside here. I can get to it. Oh, sorry. This is Echo print from Rosemary Morris. The images are just beautiful. They're vibrant colors. Here's another folder, and in this one I have fussy cut. These mushrooms are from Tailor-Made Journal, Digital Mushrooms and Ferns. In this pocket here is a postcard and a journaling card. Let's see the envelope with a journaling card, some fussy cutting. The fourth signature. There's a postcard with a little journaling card. Same here. This is an envelope. No, this is an envelope with a journaling card. Little note card. Lots of room for journaling, the way I like it. There's another envelope. I forgot to ask Lorna if she did the echo print of these, because they're just beautiful. I think she did. Silly question. Oh, there's another envelope. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Love it. We're getting to the end. Another little pocket with some journaling cards. There's the envelope, the journaling card, and there's the back. So Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.